God bless you. This is the unique and healthy recipes for longevity. We are back again with another video, and this one is for everybody in the family. Daddy needs it, mommy needs it, and the children, they also need it. We are trying to prepare something today that will help boost or strengthen the immune system. You know, when the immunity is low, that is when all kinds of sickness can come in. But when your immunity is high, you are able to resist infections and diseases naturally. So it is good that we bring this to you so that regularly you prepare it for yourself, your family, and then keep your household away from diseases. Thank you. Follow me. Let's go into the video. Look at the ingredients that we need for today's video. Number one is honey, original honey, not sugar made honey. And I have a sample of original honey. How do you test for originality when you have a sample of honey? This honey, if you drop it on the floor, ants will not gather it. If you use it to strike a match, it will make the fire. But the one that is not original, drop it on the floor, even the bottle, dropping the bottle alone, ants will gather the bottle. And if you dip matches stick into it and strike, you will not have the fire. It's milk. You can use any milk that you like. So milk is the second ingredient. There's something I want to say about milk. Milk is very, very rich. Milk is rich in protein, fats, oils, minerals, and vitamins. The only thing you cannot find in milk is carbs. Milk is very, very rich. Number 3 ingredient I want us to talk about for this recipe is banana. Now, I chose this local type for reasons that I may not be able to explain in this video because of time and space. But this one is very special. We need just these 2 small size banana. Then we need ginger. This ginger has been cleaned, washed. We need ginger, and of course we need lemon. This is just the quantity, the size I'm going to use for this recipe. We just grate the ginger. We just mix it with warm water and sieve. So I have my ginger juice already. I have my ginger juice, I have my honey, I have my milk, yes, I have my banana, and now I have my lemon. So right away, I want us to go into juicing of the lemon. Juice it. You see, in this case, we need more than half a lemon for the quantity we're making. Is for the whole family, depending on the number of members of your family, that will determine the quantity you use. But this is just going to be like a teaspoonful of lemon. I choose to grate this banana just to tell someone that if you don't have a blender, it's not an excuse. I have a blender, but I decided not to blend. I want to show you another way you can do it, that even when you don't have a blender, you can really enjoy this recipe that we're talking about, and that is by grating your banana. You will have it very smooth. Ingredients ready now. This is my grated banana, so that you can do it whether you have a blender or not. This is my juice lemon here. This is my milk, this is my ginger juice, and this is my honey. Now, this therapy is to boost immunity in every member of the family. So now, let's go. I'm going to be doing the mixing right here. So I introduce number 1, my banana paste. Put it here. Okay, and my lemon. This is my lemon. I said it's just 1 tablespoon of lemon. and I mix. Yeah, you can mix it. You can use your egg whisker to mix it very well. Then we're going to put in our ginger. Put in our ginger juice. Yes, put in everything. And mix it. Yes. Good. Add my honey. 3 spoons of honey. Yeah. Okay. Then I'll mix it. I'll add my milk. Wow, this is awesome. This is immune drink. Oh my God. That is for every member of the family. Come and look at it. This is it. Take this. Prepare this like 2 or 3 times a week, and you will notice serious changes, because it's going to take care of your health, and you will not be falling sick anymore. Okay, so this is our therapy is ready. Therapy. Yeah, is it? Oh my God. So you prepare this for every member of the family. See, very thick and rich, and delicious as well. Yummy. Wow. That's it. Go and prepare it. God bless you.